Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use XMP file in Photoshop, updated. Open Photoshop and go straight to Camera Raw or the Develop module to import presets. Use the Presets panel to click the menu and choose Import Profiles and Presets, then select your XMP file. After importing, apply the preset to an image and tweak exposure, white balance, and color sliders to match your vision. Start with a single photo and choose Filter, Camera Raw Filter to enter the editor. Open the Presets panel and hit the menu icon, then pick Import Profiles and Presets and navigate to your XMP file. Once imported, click the preset to preview changes, then fine-tune sliders like exposure, highlights, and saturation for the desired look. Save or sync settings across images when you're happy with the result. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is great for cleaning up creative studios with minimal fuss, and it responds to voice commands for hands-free tidy-ups. It feels especially handy after a long edit session where crumbs and dust build up near your gear. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. After importing, preview each preset on different images to understand its effect quickly. Apply a preset and then adjust sliders such as contrast, highlights, and shadows to personalize the effect without losing the preset's intent. To keep workflows efficient, save any tailored adjustments as a new preset or export selected settings as an XMP for sharing. This makes consistent edits across projects much faster and more reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.